Good morning, children. Today I am starting your matter in our surrounding. The first lesson of chemistry for class 9th. Now, in this basic lesson, you are going to study regarding the matter. You know, matter may be how small, how bigger, what is its property, what is its criteria. Related to that, all the topic we will be dealing with this in this chapter. Now let's start and come to the topic. What is matter? Anything you see all around, the chalk I am touching it, the blackboard, the classroom, the chair, the table, or anything else, whatever, the cycle, the bag, what you carry it, anything, your house surroundings, anything, whatever you see or touch it, everything is matter. Now, how can you define it, matter? Anything, what you see, you touch it, these are the matter. Means, matter can be defined as anything that occupies a space and having mass. It's called matter. Anything in the universe which occupies a space having mass, another way you can say, and have volume too. Volume also. So that is called matter. Now, what is the characteristic property of matter? In ancient time also, the Indian philosopher has stated, just a minute, what is matter? Now, what is matter? At the ancient time also, the Indian philosopher has discussed regarding the matter. According to the Indian philosopher, the matter is made up of, everything in the universe is made up of 5 basic elements. The 5 basic elements were known as the Panch Tattva. Panch Tattva. It was according to Indian philosopher that everything is made out of in the universe is the Panch Tattva. Similar, what is that Panch Tattva? Air, earth, water, sky, fire. The 5 basic elements of the any matter which is made out of, that are 5 basic elements. That is the air, earth, water, sky and fire. It was also stated in Ramayana by Tulsidas. We are also made up of 5 basic elements, like it is mentioned in Ramayana, Chiti Jal Pavak Gagan Samira. Chiti Jal Pavak Gagan Samira Panch Rachitya Adham Sarira. 5 basic, our body is also made out of 5 basic elements. It was written in the Ramayana, a religious epics of the Hindus. Now children, similarly, the Greek philosopher also stated that their opinion matched with that the 5 basic elements, the matter is made up of 5 basic elements. Everything in the universe is made up of 5 basic elements. Now, what are the questions possible out of this? First question, what is matter? Second, what is the matter? What is the Panch Tattva? You can say Panch Tattva. Now third question. What was the opinion of ancient of Indian philosopher Now we will discuss on this matter further how we can classify the matter. Matters are classified in the modern day scientists. They are classified by the modern scientists that on the basis of their physical and chemical properties. The properties of the matter based on that can be explained on the basis of their physical nature and chemical natures. There are two schools of thoughts. They say one states that matter is made up of very tiny particles, whereas another school of thought says that matter is like a log of wood. There is a difference of opinion between the groups, between the thoughts. The matter, now we need to explain by using the activity that whether the matter is made out of a tiny particles or it is made out of a log of woods. It is continuous or discontinuous. So we will discuss one of the property that matter is made up of, whether it is a particle or particle nature or log of wood. Now we will discuss one, the matter is made up of particles. How matter is made up of particles, we will show you now. See, by using an activity, according to your book, this activity has given the number 1.1 from your chapter. Here we will take a fixed volume of water. Into that we will take a fixed volume of water. In that we will dissolve the salt and we stir it. We will see that whether the level of water is rises or it will remain same. We will do this activity. Now children, please watch. Now I am taking the measuring cylinder. Here I took the 200 milliliter of water. 200 milliliter. You can look at that, it's 200 milliliter of water is there. Now I am adding the sugar into it. Now I am stirring it. Now you can see that again the level of water remains same. You can see the level of water remains same. Level of water remains same. The question is that level of water remains same. The question is that why after adding this much of salt the level of water could not be changed, because where the salt has gone, salt is dissolved into it. Now where this salt molecule is interred between the molecules of the water. Therefore the level of the water does not rises. Therefore the level of the water does not rises. Okay? Now I will go beyond that. In this activity we have shown you that the water, you have added the salt and the level of the water does not rises. We will go beyond that, one more activity which is not in your syllabus, but we will show you that this activity shows that the matter is of very small tiny particles. That's why it is completely dissolved into it and occupied the space between the water molecules. Therefore level does not rise. The next part I am telling you, let's take that. Matter is heavier, and heavy matter we are taking it. Is the level of water is rising or not? Now look at here, I am taking this sand. Here the level is 200 milliliter. This is activity part is over. Now I am going beyond that. See, it is a 200 milliliter. Now I am adding the salt. I am adding the sand into it. Now look at. I am swinging the sand. Let me stir the sand. Now you can see the level of water has changed. One level of water has increased. Here in this case we have added the salt. Here we have added the sand. The salt particle was very small, tiny, it is dissolved and occupied between the water molecules, whereas sand is a macromolecule and it is a larger particle like a log of woods. It does not occupy the space between them and it remains settled at the bottom, and see the level has increased. Now let me conclude these activities. Let me discuss the children. This is the second part. We are going to matter is made up of particles. We have already discussed how small these particles are there. This point also need to be explained. We are explaining you the second activity, activity number 1.2. How small are the particles of matter? How small the particles of the matter? Now see, I am going to show you again activity how small. Imagine it is too small beyond your imagination. Matter, the particles of the matter are very small beyond our imagination. Now see one activity. I am taking the 5 beakers. I am taking the 5 beakers. In one beaker I have added the potassium permanganate. These are the 5 beakers we have. Equal amount of water in all 3. Called 5. One is having potassium permanganate solution. Now what to do? Let's see. I am adding nearly 10 milliliter of. This is the potassium permanganate solution. What I am going to do? First listen. 10 milliliter I will take out from this. I will add into it. After stirring it, I will take out 10 milliliter from this. I will add into the third beaker. Again after stirring, I will take out 10 milliliter of water. I will add into this. Again after stirring, I will add into this. Then we will compare the colors. Let's see. First let me stir it. Now the children, you can see I took the 10 milliliter. Same the marking in the test tubes are there. I am adding into it. Now see, it is good. Again now I am taking the 10 milliliter out of this. Check it. I think I have not set. Stir it. Let me stir it once. Okay. Now children, I am going to add into this. Now add this into this. Now you can see that the color of the potassium permanganate solution is continuously changing and it is going slowly faint. This color is deeper, then this, then this, then this. Now there is a small change. It means this is it shows that the particles of the matter is very small and it continues to divide and yet as we go for the further dilution. Now we can discuss in this matter that the millions of tiny particles in just one crystals of potassium permanganate which keep on dividing themselves into the smaller and smaller particles. This activity can be done can be done by using the Dettol also. If you can add a Dettol in one container, and if further to dilute to the other and other to other, if you go on continuously, at the last container also you will get the smell of the Dettol. So conclusion is that matter of the particles are very small, it is beyond our imagination. Today's my lecture is over. We will come into the next class, second lecture after this topic. Thank you.